Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Erina Yasmin binti Rosli and my metric number is 42230033161. And as for today, I would like to explain about the OSH committee members. Firstly, introduction. According to the Department of Occupational Safety and Health (DOSH), the members of the committee should consist of chairman, secretary, representative of employers and employees. Other than that, the responsibility of being an OSH committee members is to assist in development of safety and health rules and safe system of work, review the effectiveness of safety and health program, and carry out studies on the trend of accident, near-miss accident, and dangerous occurrence, which usually happen at workplace. Therefore, they shall to be report to the employer of unsafe or unhealthy condition or practices at the workplace with corrective action. This is being said so because when a person is employed as safety and health officer, they shall furnish the chairman of the committee with report of his finding subsequent to an investigation that being conducted by him into any accident, near-miss accident, dangerous occurrence or occupational poisoning which has happened in workplace, and the chairman should gather a meeting of the committee to discuss about the report. Therefore, a safety and health officer shall frequently meet each other. We shall not meet less than once in 3 months, as it may necessary to be equivalent with the risk attendant on the nature of the workplace. That is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Muhammad Asni, and I will identify and discuss any 6 sessions or classes in OSH committee. First, preliminary. They have 4 regulation, which is citation and commencement, interpretation, application, and lastly is duties of employers. For the part 2 is composition of safety and health committee. First one is membership of committee. Next, appointment of chairman and secretary of committee. Appointment of the members of committee. For regulation 8, educated employee representation. Also, vacancy. And the last one is removal of member of committee. For part 3 is a function of safety and health committee. They have 10 regulation, which is function of committee, inspection of a place of work, investigation into any accident, action to be taken on report and recommendation of committee, matters to be considered by committee, investigation of complaint, resolution of complaint, assistance of committee, and rules of safety and health, and lastly is subcommittee. For the part 4 is meeting of safety and health committee. They have 7 regulation, which is frequency of meeting of committee, duty to provide facilities, inaugural meeting, quorum, non-member may attend meeting, matters to be discussed at the meeting, and last is minute of meeting. Part 5 is provisions of training and information. They have 5 regulation, which is duty to ensure basic knowledge and function of committee, duty to provide adequate training, duty to make available relevant document and information, and last one is information not to be supplied. For the last part, which is penalty, they have only 1 regulation, which is penalty. In summary, this regulation provide a comprehensive framework for the establishment and operation of safety and health committees. They emphasize for importance of balanced representation, proactive risk management, regular inspection, effective investigation and resolution of complaint, and continuous improvement, tough training and information sharing. By adhering to this regulation, employers and employees can work together to create safer and healthier workplace. Now I will explaining why the session or classes are relevant. Starting with part 1, this regulation establishes the groundwork, ensuring clarity with defined terms and outlining employees' duties to maintain safe workplace. Part 2 focus on the committee's composition, requiring balanced representation from both management and employees. This ensures diverse perspective and comprehensive safety oversight. In part 3, we see the core function of the committee. They inspect workplace, investigate incidents, and recommend improvement, making sure every incident is thoroughly analyzed to prevent future occurrence. Part 4 covers the logistics of committee meetings, emphasizing regular discussion, proper facilities, and maintaining detailed records to ensure accountability and continuous safety improvement. Part 5 is all about training and information. It ensures committee members are well informed and trained, providing them with the necessary resources to make informed safety decisions. Finally, Part 6 enforces compliance with penalty for non-adherence, ensuring high safety standards and maintain. Together, this regulation create a structured, proactive approach to workplace safety, ensuring everyone's well-being. Thanks for tuning in.
Next, I will explain about find or search article reporting on an incident. So my article will explain about Pengerang Refining and Petrochemical confirm fire and explosion at Pengerang, Johor. Firstly, the article is about the Pengerang Refining and Petrochemical Integrated Development Rapid project in Johor, Malaysia, which experienced an explosion and fire. The reason why this article is suitable for this topic is because based on the incident and the impact, it shows that the article describes a noteworthy fire and explosion tragedy that left fatalities in the aftermath and brought attention to the possible danger and hazard associated with industrial activities. It emphasized how crucial it is to have strong safety procedure and guidelines in place to stop this kind of cases. Next, the OSH committee plays a crucial role in ensuring workplace safety, as seen by the DOSH engagement and the focus on determining the explosion primary cause. Preventing such occurrences is largely dependent on the OSH committee duties in doing risk assessment, safety audits, and maintaining compliance to safety rules. In addition, the article also highlights the safety procedure and training, which emphasize how crucial it is to follow safety procedure and give employees the necessary training to deal with emergency. The OSH committee is in charge of creating, implementing, and upgrading safety procedure, as well as making sure that all employees receive the necessary training. Lastly, investigation and continuous improvement. This is being said so because the DOSH ongoing investigation and the company's dedication to identifying the incident primary cause highlight how crucial it is to safety procedure to be continuously improved. In order to prevent such occurrences, the OSH committee is essential in carrying out in-depth investigation, applying lessons learned from incident and putting remedial measure into place. So that is all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Noaim Alia Binti Rizwan and I will talk about the article of Selangor DOSH issues stop work order to Klang Glove Factory following the fatal accidents. The article explained about the Klang Glove Factory strategy underscore the critical roles of occupational safety and health OSH committee in preventing workplace accidents. The accident revealed serious lapses in risk assessment and hazard identifications, as the victim was tested with working on high platform without sufficient fault protection. An active OSH committee will identify these risks and implement necessary safety measures. A regular assessment and provision of personal protective equipment (PPE) are essential. The company must comply with safety standards which the OSH committee ensure and provide regular training and awareness programs to educate the employees of safety practice. This strategy event highlight the importance of an OSH committee in safeguarding employee health and safety by systematically identifying hazards, enforcing safety standards, and promoting a safety culture. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Espavitra, daughter of Sandra. Today I'm going to elaborate about risk assessment and control methods in the workplace, as imagine myself working in the organizations. As first assessment process, identify assets. assess work procedure, equipment, and environments for dangers. For example, for risk at Klang Glove Factory, explosion at Pengerang. Number 2, evaluate risk. This is about determining the likelihood and severity of incidents, considering factors like exposure, frequency, and current controls. Next, implement controls. Follow a hierarchy of controls. Number 1, elimination, remove assets. Number 2, substitution, use a safer materials methods. Engineering controls, modify the workplace, like install safety barriers, like that. And then administrative control, develop safety practices, for example, regular maintenance, safety inspections. At last, PPE, provide appropriate personal protective equipment. Next, control methods for incident prevention. Number 1, regular safety audits and inspection. Detect new hazard and ensure control effectiveness. Number 2, employee training and education. Train the employees on hazards, BPUs, emergency protocols, and safe practices. Number 3, emergency preparedness and response plans. Develop and update plans for evacuation, communication, medical treatment, and containment. Number 4, incident investigation and continuous improvement investigative investigate incidents to determine causes and improve safety measures. Number 5, safety culture and employee improvement. Foster a strong safety culture and involve employee in safety decision making.
Hello, my name is Nur Iwani binti Rizwan and my matric number is 422-300-2501. So I will explain about two types of preparation. According to the guidelines of Occupational Safety and Health OSH Committee, management can regularly make the following kinds of preparation to stop incident in the near future. Here are two kinds of preparation that management can take and practice on a daily basis. First method is regular monitoring of risk and regular safety inspection. Purpose of this method is to recognize possible risks that can endanger employees or other peoples and to recognize dangerous situations, strategy, or tools and mission. The process of management can take is a regular monitoring to identify all potential hazards with reviewing incident reports. Process to make a regular safety inspection is to make scheduled inspection of all works or tools and make a checklist to guide inspection. Management also should follow up scheduled inspection to verify corrective action. Second preparation that management can take is a training and continuous education that is related to OSH Committee. This is for ensuring workplace safety for employees or others. Management can make a few training programs to equip employees with knowledge and skills. Type of training that management can take are safety procedure, how to use equipment, how to personal protective equipment, PPE or health and wellness training. Objective of that training that to make certain that committee members understand the safety procedure and protocols that are related to the operation of their organization. Continuous education also to ensure that workers are always informed about safety that could affect their job. Method that management can use to educate their workers is skill development, refresher classes, regular update, and learning from incident. Thank you. In conclusion, maintaining workplace safety and health standards is largely dependent on the activity of an Occupational Safety and Health OSH Committee. And Occupational Safety and Health OSH Committee members play a major role in determining its efficacy. Regarding the members of the OSH Committee, here are some key points to consider in a conclusion. A number point of view members of effective committee come from many organizational level and departments. Because of this diversity, a wide range of viewpoint and level of experience are ensured, which result in more true safety precaution. Understanding and instruction member of the committee must be well versed in workplace safety laws and procedures. To keep them informed about the newest safety regulation and technological advancement, they must get ongoing training and instruction. The success of OSH Committee hangs on the quality and commitment of its members. By selecting individuals who are knowledgeable, dedicated, and collaborative, organizations can significantly enhance their workplace safety and health programs. Thank you. That's all from our group.